Welcome to another UBC Library Skills tutorial. This video will show you how easy it is to find high-quality information sources from the UBC Library. The General Search tab on the library homepage uses a database called Summon to search through the majority of materials available through the UBC Library, including print and ebooks, journal articles, government documents, and more. You can enter a wide range of search terms into Summon, including author, title, and keywords. Let's try searching for the following keywords: gambling, addiction, and North America. What you can see here is the search results page. This page is divided into several sections. The middle section is the most important. It contains a list of all the important sources Summon found based on your search. On the left side of the page are many options for filtering your search. You can use these filters to hide information sources that are not relevant to your needs. If you look closer, you can see the number of information sources Summon has found related to your search. You can also see that the search results are organized like a list. At the top of the first search result, you can see the title of the source. Underneath this is information about the author and publication details. Finally, at the bottom of the search result, you can see information about the material type and its availability. You can see that this source is an ebook or electronic book, and that the entire book is available online. As you can see, the search brought back over 38,000 results. One way to narrow down your search results to more relevant resources is to add another keyword to the search. For example, you might add the term mental illness. Notice the quotation marks around this new term. This tells Summon to search these words as a phrase. This means that Summon will only show sources that include these exact words in this precise order. Adding this extra search term will help you find more relevant results. This will make choosing your information sources much easier. You can also use filters to customize your search results to include more relevant resources. One important filter to use is date of publication. This filter allows you to hide information sources published outside of a particular date range. For example, you could use this filter to include in your search results only information sources published between 2011 and 2016. Another important filter to consider is the scholarly and peer review option. This hides all search results that are not written by experts for an academic audience. This filter is so important because you will likely need to use scholarly and peer-reviewed sources in your research papers. However, it is important to note that using this filter will remove all books from your search results. Once you've identified an information source that looks useful, getting access to it depends on what type of source it is. For example, if it's a journal article, you will very likely be able to access it online. In this case, simply click on the full text online link and you'll be directed to a new page with access to the article. When you find an information source that you like, you can save it quickly and easily using Summon's Saved Items folder option. Simply click on the folder button and a link to the information source will be saved temporarily. To view your saved information sources, click on the folder icon next to the search button. From this page, you can choose to view the citation in a number of formats. You can also export the citation to several different citation management programs, as well as print or email the information for later use. In this video tutorial, you learned how to start using the main library search engine, Summon, to begin finding information sources for your research. You also learned how to refine your search results by adding additional keywords and search filters in order to find information sources that are more relevant to your needs.